So I have to say, filming has been a little bit problematic in the last few days, just because I've had this crazy flu, which has been hanging around for almost 2 weeks. But this is where we're at. Upstairs we've moved in, there's boxes everywhere, and we're slowly unpacking and making it a home. This is going to take a while. And downstairs we're working on the cafe toilets, as you've seen, and cleaning up this space, trying to get everything out slowly so we can do the cafe and the kitchen. And of course we've been working on the handrail for the stairs and the pieces of furniture that we've been kind of restoring and pepping up so that they're nice to be used again. This being one example of an old chest of drawers that was in the old house, and at least I finished it. Well, not too bad. Classic. Oh look, there's money in there. Pretty good. So now that we've moved in, the jobs definitely don't stop. It's just like this work surface in the kitchen, which is a little bit rough. Just sanding it down again. And once I sand it down, I'll get another coat of oil, and then it should be done, because it's just got like a few sort of raw patches in it. And then Flora and I today have been setting up coffee tables, haven't we? This is how it's looking in here. There's enough stuff. And we put these coffee tables together. Flora, I'm sorry. Yeah. And yeah. Just slowly settling in and getting things organised. The work surface for the kitchen, look at that mess. Terrible, I know. Got things to unpack and put away. That will be coming, should be coming next week, so that'll be good. Got these canisters left over from the heating system. I'm going to try and sell them. It's a shame to throw them away. Keep 6 for the garden because they're 25-litre canisters. Can make some green fertilizer and stuff. Yeah, what do you do with all this stuff, you know? You might not care, but this is something pretty cool. The toilet that we have here is rimless, which means the water doesn't travel around a rim and in. It comes just out of here, kind of like a torpedo style. It shoots around the bottom. That's pretty cool. Less to clean. Alright, the banister has been fixed and now mounted. Just gotta paint over these markings and clean up the joints, just sand them down and then coat them again. Well, it's looking pretty good. So, touch-ups are pretty much done here. We're filling these gaps with a wax, it's like a floor wax. So just installing some lights in the hallway. Of course it doesn't always go to plan and the plaster fell out, so I've had to patch that up now. Here the first look at the work surface for the old small kitchen. It's going to look a lot different when it's finished, but we've got to cut the corners off and of course do something with the door, because that's not going to work.